You can easily rotate text in Excel. Click on the AB symbol on the Home tab. You can rotate the text at a fixed angle. You can rotate text in Chinese calligraphy style. You can also rotate text to a specific angle in the Excel format box. You can easily create a rating sheet of products in Excel. To get special symbols, you can open the symbol function of Excel to find your favorite symbols. Here I have selected a star. Use the ref function to solve problem. Format Painter to two objects on the same font type. You can copy it manually for this purpose. However, if the data is big, it is really inefficient. Use Ctrl-G to find gaps, then combine with Ctrl-Enter to process. I will show you how to convert column data into data in an Excel cell. If your document is Chinese or Japanese, you can use the phonetic function. You create a data column containing commas, then use the phonetic function like video. However, the phonetic function did not support much Latin. So I will guide you to the following method. First, you type equals, then you select the data area. Click on the data box, press F9, and then delete the equals symbol. Then press Ctrl-H to change the notation like video. You can create a ranking with 2 characters in Excel as follows. You can delete the zeros in front of numbers in Excel very easily. Would you like to add each Excel line with an attached title? Applying some of the tips I've shared in previous videos, you will easily do. You just need to quickly create row inserts each row. Copy the title, then use the Ctrl-G command to find the empty rows. Then paste the object into the empty boxes. You send the Excel file to others, but you don't want them to be able to read the Excel function. You must lock a table, an Excel sheet. Just select the object and then go to Protect Sheet. You need to enter your password twice to lock it. I am no longer able to manipulate anything on this board. To unlock the spreadsheet, you need to re-enter the password. You need to calculate numbers from data that are not prime. First, you type a sample command in the first cell for Excel in navigation. Use Ctrl-E and then select all the objects. Use Ctrl-H to replace the result. Very fast, isn't it? You need to create a password for the Excel file. You choose to save as Save Mode, then go to the Tools section and select General Options. Enter 4 times the password for the Excel protection function, because you should set a shared password for easy remembering. Open the Excel file. If you enter the correct password twice, open the Excel file normally. Now I will open the Excel file again. I try to enter the wrong password for the second time or choose the function, can only read. I will not be able to save this Excel file. When you copy data from sheet to sheet, Excel often has an uneven cell size error. Click next to cell A1, then press Ctrl-A and Ctrl-C, then go to another sheet, select cell A1 and paste the cell data. You can also copy normally to another sheet. When pasting data, you need to choose a special data paste option. Column widths function selection, scanning area appears. You paste the data normally. You can quickly filter data with the conditional formatting function. Select a column of data, hold down the Shift key and then drag the columns to position each other. When selecting data on Excel, sometimes we pass the scan. The wider the part we want to scan, it causes very inhibition. Use Ctrl-Shift+down arrow for quick data selection. Do you want to aggregate data from different tables, different sheets? Here, I have 2 data A1, A2 gathered from 3 different tables. In other case, it could be from 3 different Excel files. Select the data, then go to Data, Consolidate, choose 3 areas that correspond to the 3 tables. I will try again manually to compare the results. When you want to subtract the date in Excel but it appears it is the time format. To convert them to natural numbers, open the Format box in the Number field.